Yeah, there you go. We're here. Hello. Hello, Andrea. Oh, good. That's good. Okay. I'm just gonna wait for other to watch it. Hopefully we got yeah, there we go. Come on. Hello. Who's this? Sunshine Ligon. Hello. Hello, Eliza. And China. Hello. We're here. Woohoo! I know everyone is asking about yung kunin yung pangalan nila, you know? I will try. Namakuha ko yung name niya. Hello, Joe. So we can hear. Yeah. I'm just waiting for more watching. So, yeah, more audience. Yes. So we got, who else in there? Russell. Hi, Russell. Nora, hello. Jessa, hello. And Jenaline, yoo-hoo. Very good. Sana marami pa na manood. Edna. Yes. We're doing the old ways. Diba? Para you know that na talagang sinulat. The name, we write it down in the paper. And then I will call it. Okay? It's all the same. No different color. See, it's all the same. So we're doing old ways of raffle. No technology. But it's just great. We got this live going. Where's everyone? Sebastian! Yay! Yay! Good luck, everyone! Sino pa? Sino pa manonood? Okay! Yeah! Sino pa? Okay, so we get Jenaline, Kamba. Okay, cool. Right, Jessa, yes. Sino pa manonood? Dan. I'm just reading everything. Sino pa? Okay. Woohoo! Danica. Hi, Danica. Rose, hi. Woohoo! We beat late. But you know. So much run around today. I made it. I made it. Come on. Okay. You ready? Hi, Margie. Hi, Julia. Hi, Danica. Okay, we ready? I'm gonna get one. Here we go. I got one. Okay? I got one. I put this down. So I got this. Huh? I don't know. Is this on? Oh my God. What's this? Ayan ang, ano, yan ang unang bunot natin. Sino yan? Nababasa mo? Ha? What happened to... That's the first one. Okay? Oh my God! That's Pearly Shell. That's Alan. The Alan Bakla. Pearly Shell. Ang laki naman niya. Ah! Una! She Pearly Shell. That's one. Here you go. Si Bakit? Ang tawa naman nun. Second one. Josie Barceliano. Oh my God. Kapatid mo, Salve. We got two. Okay, we got two. Okay, here we go. We're doing the old ways raffle. Okay? It's our raffle. We can do what we want, don't we? Okay, here we go. This is the third one. It's Kitel Ann Rivera. Si Kitel. Oh my God. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose. The third raffle winners, Kitel and Rivera Bautista. So we got three. The first one, Pearly Shell. Yep. And second raffle winner, Josephine Barceliano. And then the third one is Kitel Ann Bautista. Okay? So that's third. I'm here. We're doing the old ways raffle. Oh my goodness. Okay. Okay, here we go. The fourth winner, raffle hampers, Christmas July. Oh God. Is that Meryl Innocentes? Meryl Innocentes. Okay, that's the fourth winner. Oh, there we go. We got someone drop here. I'm making sure I don't drop anything. All right, so it's all fair for everybody. Okay, here we go. So we doing the old ways of raffle. Okay, here we go. This is the fifth winners. Oh my God! The fifth winner. Look. Oh my God, that's so good. Jonaline Lachisa Sapoy. Oh my God, what a name. Pinahihirapan niyo akong ibagkas. But yeah, so that's the fifth winner. Okay? There we go. Oh, I dropped one. I'll put it back. Here we go. I dropped one. All right, there we go. I got one. So this is the 6th winners. Okay. Oh my goodness. Seriously? It's James. I think that's the husband and wives. Oh, wow. Lucky. Very lucky. Oh, my God. So that's the 6th winner. Okay? This is the 7th winner. Oh, my God, we have a holly jolly Christmas this year. It's Bet. Who is that? It's Bet. It's Bet Della Owig. I don't know who's that. So that's the 7th winner. I have to make sure that's the right one. Bet De La Cruz? No. We just have to have a look. But this is the 8th winner. Look, it's Arsenio Rivera. Whoa. I tell you what. That's the 8 winners. Arsenio Rivera. I got one. That's the 9th winner. This one. Let me see. Oh my goodness. It's Katie Riveliesta. Woohoo! 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the 9th winner. Okay? So I'm just going to revise it again. I'm just going to repeat it. Who's the winner? So we got this one. It says something Bet De La Wawong or something. I'm not sure what's happening there. So, but the winner before, so James Blumalig, Meryl Unicentes, Pearly Shell, Katie Riveliesa, Arsenio Rivera. Oh my goodness. Hundreds, like we got about almost 400 names, okay? That work, that effort to write all this down. And Kitel Ann Rivera Bautista. I'm reading all the winners. We got 9 so far. Josefina Barciliano, Camba, and Jonalyn Lanchico Sipoy. Okay? And then we got this one a bit mixed up. What's this name? Bet De La Wong. It could be De La Cruz. I think that's De La Cruz, but we'll see. Okay? Two, three, 5. So we got 9 winners. Okay, here we go. So what else? We said 25, yeah? So we got 9. Okay? So we still got plenty. So don't worry. I'll try my best, okay? All right, here we go. 10th winner. 10th winner. Oh my God. Look. Danilo Bonape. Si kumpare tumira. Oh my goodness. Yeah. Ayan ang pang-sampu. Si Danilo Bonape panalo. Okay, here we go. Christmas tree. Oh, says ka Danilo Bonape. Danilo Bonape. Oh my goodness. The 11th winner, Jasper. We got almost 400 names. That's Jasper. Villanueva, Marie Villanueva. Okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So we got 11 winners. We're gonna continue for number 12. This is the number 12 winner. Samara Jane Rivera. Oh, you have to keep your money. Mommy and Daddy will have to have it. So the 12 winner is Samara Jane Guerrero. Okay, here we go. This is the 13th, I think. 5. Yeah. This is the 13th winner. Sheila May Laus Corneda. I think this is Alan. Alan Nis. Oh my God. Alan Baklanis. Oh yeah, yeah. Hey, winning. Oh my goodness. 3, 4, 5, 6. So we got 13 winner. This is number 14. 14 winner. We got 14 winner. Okay. I'm trying to shuffle it. Like really shuffle it. Shuffle it and shuffle it. Hopefully I make everyone happy. Okay, here we go. Oh God. This is number 14th winner. Oh wow. It's Feli Rivera. Feli Rivera. Okay? That's number 14th winner. Okay? Okay, this is number 15th winner. And then I'm going to say it again who is winning. This is number 15. See, look. I'm shuffling it and shuffling it and shuffling it. Okay, here we go. We're doing the old ways raffle draw. That's right. That's right. Okay. The 15th winners, Raymond Amaro. Raymond Amaro. That's the 15th winner. Okay, I'm gonna say it again, their names. This is all the winners. The 15th winner. Okay, Meryl Innocentes, Kitel Ann Rivera Bautista, Danilo Bonape, Josepina Barciliano Camba, Jonaline Lanchinso Sipoy, Feli Rivera, Katie Rivillesa, Arsenio Rivera. Ba? Nakahataw yung kapatid ko ah. Sheila May Laos, Corneda. This is all the winners. 15 winners, okay? I'm just reading it again for you. Raymond Amaro, Beth De La Cruz, Pearly Shell, James Glumalik, Jasper Marie Villanueva, Shamara Jane Guerrero. Okay, that's the 15th winner. I'm gonna raffle now. So, the 16th winner, I'm shuffling it, and I'm shuffling. There we go. Got one. Oh, it's Ronaldo Rivera. Oh my goodness, what? Ronaldo Rivera. That's the 16th winners. Here we go. Oh my goodness. We got almost 400 names. Oh, look at this. The 17 winners. Elizalde Anselmo. That's the 17th winners. Oh my God, please. Get some other people. Oh. Rex Rivera. Huh. It's a that's the 18th winners. Mukhang humahata puro Rivera. Hoy. talagang, oh my goodness, I shuffle it. We got almost 400 names. Okay? And I'll tell you what. So this is the 19th winners. Our troubles will be miles away. Okay, we got Saudi Perez Castello. You sure this is a name, not place? So that's the 19th winner. Okay. This is the 20th, number 20 now. Okay? Winners.
If the fates allow, hang a shining
Raika
upon a
Oscasel Velasco. Oh, wow.
hand,
That's the 20th. That's 20, number 20 winners.
Christmas now.
Raika Oxaler Velasco. Okay, we got 5 more. We got 5 more. It's many. Did you know my two eldest, my son and my daughter helped me to write more downs all the. That's why we're a little bit late, because I get some more names. You know, I get some more names, and just to do it fair, and I get more names in name and put some more in here, and we done it. That's why we're a little bit late, but it's all good. Okay, so we're doing it everything fair. I put all the names that it's there, and what's my friends and the followers and that, I put it all. Even from Cebu, people from Cebu, Bacolod, Batangas, you got right to the Cebu. You got the Camarines Sur, Sursogon. Oh wow, it's amazing. Makati, Dasmariñas, we got plenty of those, and right in Manila, like all these 9, I try to put everything as possible, and we got the Sila, far away. So he's the number 21 winner. Divina, really? Garcia, Cordica, Buenapencha. This is Arsenio's wife. What? We getting a husband and wives winning here? What is going on? Not my fault. I even put some of your children's name here. So, to get some luck. And unfortunately, I'm trying. So this is the 21st winner. Okay? It's Divina, Arsenio's wife. Okay, here we go. So we got 4 more. We need 4 winners. Oh, please make it happen. Oh, dear, dear. The song is getting sadder. Oh my God. Okay, here we go. Number 22 winner. Your wish come true. Andrea Velasco. Oh my goodness. That's the number 22 winners. Oh wow. Oh wow. Okay. So we need 3 more. 3 more, sorry. 3 more. 3 more winner. Oh dear, dear. Come on, keep wishing. Keep wishing, baby. Get lucky. Look. See? Come on. Okay, here we go. We got another 3. We're gonna have to call up the 3. Oh my God, some of them we really roll it up really tight. Okay, here we go. anyone read that? June something. June Mate? Baka naman ba't ito? Oh my God! Because the 9, you know? I'm sorry if I pronounce it wrong. Oh my God! It says June Mabate. Mabate. It's not sounds right. Is it? Oh shit. Oh my God, I'm live. I'm very not cursing too much. Because it says June Mate. June Mate o Bate. Anyway, it's there. We're gonna check it. Now, sa lahat ng manalo, kasi maraming nakasali na, it's almost 400 nines here. Kapag meron silang chance na kunin ang prize for 48 hours. 48 hours means 2 days. Only take 2 days. Kapag walang kumuha ng premyo, we're gonna do it again. Okay? So, this name, I'm gonna check it. Okay? So, not sure yet. So, we got 2 more to go. Oh my God, 2 more to go. 2 more to go. 2 more to go. This is number 24 winner. It's Yum Yum Butler. Yum Yum, Yum Yum, not Yum Yum, Yum Yum. Oh my God, what a name! Yum Yum Butler. Okay, not Batila. Okay, the last one. Last one, Nina. Oh my God. Hopefully I get someone. Oh my goodness. Last one to go. Last one to go. We got one. Hopefully. Okay. Rebecca Villanueva. Ba? Meron tayong Villanueva. May mga Rivera talagang, oh my goodness. Tapos, mga battler. So, the last 25, the last winner is Rebecca Villanueva. Okay? So that's 25 winners. I'm gonna read it again, and then that's it. Okay? The moon is right. The spirit's up. So we all got that. We all got the 25 winners. So ang next raffle natin sa December. Christmas, it's 1,000 pesos each. Okay? And that's 50 people. 50 hampers to win. So keep coming. I'm gonna read all the winners. I'm gonna read all the winners. Danilo Bonape, Arsenio Rivera, Feli Rivera, Jonalyn Lanchinko Soypoy, Katie Rebellesa, Raymond Amaro, Josepina Berciliano Camba, Kitel Ann Rivera Bautista, Zamara Jane Giral, Mariel Inocentes, Sheila May Laus Crededa, Jasper Marie Villanueva, Rex Rivera, James Glumali,
Snowman was a jolly happy soul with a corn cob
Burley Shell,
and 2 eyes made out of coal. Frosty the snowman
Beth
made the children laugh and play.
Dila.
Were they
I'm very confused about this because
came to life?
I'm not sure. It's not signing De La Cruz, so I have to check that, okay?
As they found for
Maybe just wrong spelling. I'm not sure.
he began to
Yum Yum Butler,
the snowman was alive as he could be.
Rebecca Villanueva,
Children say he could laugh and play just as
Raika
and me.
Oscasel Velasco, Jun Mateo. Oh my God. This Jun Mateo, I'm going to check it if it's the right name, okay? Andrea Velasco, Divina Buenapencho, Saldi Perez Castello, Elizalde Anselmo, Ronaldo Rivera.
Frosty the snowman.
Okay, so that's 25. Okay, and I'm so sorry if your name didn't get it. You know, I'm sorry, but we always got, you know, next time. Okay, so hopefully, everyone have a good day after today, and we have a little bit of fun. And take care, everybody. And see you soon. So next raffle draw is in December for Christmas. So hopefully for 50 people will make everyone happy, and some families have a little bit of Christmas happiness. Yeah. Yeah. All right. Happy Christmas, July, and thank you so much for watching. Next time again, and thank you very much. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Take care, everyone. Take care. Thank you for watching. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Thank you.
Frosty the